Just like an old cliche, one that simply says you can't miss what you never had.
I thought that love was just a feeling that I give to him, and in return he give it back.
But it's more sensation. All I had to be tripping out on the girl's body vibration. But I knew, oh yeah,
love is trying to come at last.
That's all I can say about it.
Oh no, no, no.
I'm so glad I can stand it today and say,
I'm so glad.
love is trying to come at last. Oh baby, and I'm never gonna give it back. Listen to me now. Just like a tender young virgin in a first love affair, I doubt if she'd ever do it again. Would she even care? But as time pressed on, ooh, the girl caught on. Now the more she do it, the more she seemed to want it. Bring it down to me. Everybody needs some kind of love in their life, some kind of shape, form, or fashion.